Now, let us see how to set and use Business Profile tab. The Business Profile tab contains details about business entity for which book of accounts is to be maintained. Details that are necessary such as name of entity, name of contact person, address, city, state, postal code, phone, PAN, TAN, service tax numbers, TIN or statutory numbers, type of entity, nature of industry belongs to, number of employee or staff working in the organization, turnover and payment terms. This will be filled by default by first user while doing the registration. If any additional changes need to be done on the statutory detail like TAN number, PAN number can be updated subsequently and saved. Now, let us see how to do invoice customization. Reach Software gives the freedom to select the option of ready-made invoice. Option of ready-made templates is available within the software depending upon nature of business like product-based template, service-based template, and contractor invoice template. The company's logo, name, etc. can also be uploaded by themselves by clicking on Browse and selecting the respective file. Let us now see how to add Lead Server. The Lead Servers tab helps in receiving mail enquiry which is advertised in other media towards new business promotional or to get new customer. To create Lead Server, go and select Lead Servers tab and then click Add Server button. Now, fill in the required details of the server, such as display name, incoming mail server name, username, and password. When you have done, click Save button. This tab displays the newly added server in the server list. Setting up with email ID on Lead Servers tab helps mail enquiry from customer tag. To mail ID, all enquiries will be stored in Lead tab as shown here. Our next topic is how to add lead forms. Lead Forms tab helps in setting up a form through which online customer can fill and mail to us. To set a lead form, go to Lead Form tab. Click Add New Form button. Fill in the lead form details such as form name, domain name, return URL, and select the fields you want to include. Then click Save button. This tab displays newly added lead form. On clicking Edit on Entries, you get a HTML file, and you can save that in a HTML format to get a form of selected fields. A sample form on which online inquiry will be filled and mailed by customer in reply to user advertisement. This is stored on Lead tab as new lead. Now we will see how to set lead executive data. In any business, sale is included from the business owner's perspective. Getting and tracking enquiries for his product or services is vital part of business. This is where Lead Executive tab come into play. Lead Executive tab is mainly to assign leads in business to the respective executives. For example, to set lead executive for a new customer appointment is displayed here for your understanding. To set lead executive, go and select Lead Executives tab and then click Add a Executive button. Now, fill in the required details of the executive such as executive name, email ID, mobile number, address, city, state, postal code, and status. When you have done, click Save. The tab here displays the newly added lead executive in the list. By filling this tab, it helps to send SMS directly to the executive about the appointment date, time and venue. By doing so, it saves lot of time, effort and money.
How to create job sheet. To create a job sheet, click Orders menu and then click Add Job Sheet button. Now a new job sheet opens. Customer details. To add a new customer, either select plus button nearby, or go to the reference video under first function of business setting. Select service type from drop-down list to add a branch. Go to settings and click branch. For more details, refer video under first function of account settings. Job sheet details. Job sheet number, in date, in time, start date will appear automatically. Select out date manually. Product details. To add a product make and product model, go to settings. Select product category and product under account settings. Fill other details. Font description. To create font descriptions, go to settings. Select job sheet settings under business setting tab. For more details, refer video under first function of account settings. Reception defect. To create a reception defect descriptions, go to settings. Select job sheet settings under business setting tab. For more details, refer video under first function of account settings. Select the required reception defects. Finally, click Save buttons. For SMS, click Save and SMS button. For email, click Save and Email button.
Let us now see how to set email settings. This tab is used for setting up email format from customer software to client. Reply to enquiry towards detail of appointment. Order or job sheet. Towards delivery status. Invoice and receipt mail. Then click Save button. This screen shows email settings updated successfully. Our last topic for this class is how to set SMS setting tab. This tab is used for setting up SMS format from customer software to client. Reply to enquiry towards detail of appointment, order or job sheet, towards delivery status, invoice and receipt SMS. Then click Save button. This screen shows SMS settings updated successfully. Our next topic is how to create accounts balance tab. A business entity starts off a new financial period with opening balances. Opening balance is the first entry in accounts book creation, either for business startup or for switching over from old software to Reach software. This tab needs to be filled and saved. This tab needs to be balanced with nil difference towards other financial statement to get balanced. Click on plus icon to add new account head. In this appearing pop-up screen, you need to select the asset code and fill in asset category, opening balance and click on Save. The saved head will be available under Account Balance.
How to set units function. Go to Setting tab. Select and click Units. Click Add a unit to set new unit. Enter unit name new to create. Click Create button. User able to edit the existing unit created as follows. Go to Edit icon under Action tab. Click Edit button. Do the necessary changes and click Save button. How to create a new product categories. Type the name of product need to add. If picture of the product is available, click and attached. Then click Create button. A new product category is created as shown. Know how to edit product category. This can further edit by clicking Edit button. Do the necessary changes and click Save button. Know how to add a new product? Go to Product and click Add a product. Select the product name, here it is, Oopsie Red Apple. Then tag the category which is Apple. Enter briefly about the product as shown. Next need to fill selling details. Product need to tag with income head. Enter product price. Next need to update expense detail, in case of goods purchased and sold. Select show in point of sale by tick. Tick shown in inventory, in order to get stock report. Select tax rate as applicable for product. Enter opening stock. Select units. Enter product code. Scan or enter the barcode detail. Type if any reorder quantity. Select the go down. And click create button. Data gets stored as shown. Further product can be edited as shown.
Let us now see how to add products or services head. Product or service is a source of income, and this need to be created in order to raise purchase bills and sale invoices. Products tab is all about master creation of goods or services of the business entity. To add products or services head, click on Add Item, then fill the required details such as name, group, description. Above a service entity's product, for speaker is created with description of service sold, fill selling price. Click on Sell This field to select the income account. Click on plus icon to create the new category. In the appearing pop-up window, click on Create Income. Fill in the required details. Income group, income category, opening balance, and the tax rate applicable, and then click Save. Click on By this field if you want to add this to the expense account. Select the expense account category. Fill required details like price, tax rate, and opening stock, and click on Save. In case of trader view, following as buy and sell happens in this nature of business. A list of successful creation of product is displayed here. For new registration of service business entity for new product can be created with new group.
To create a discount function with Reach Accountant software, go to Settings. Then go and select Discounts under Account Settings. On click Discounts, user will taken to sheet with Add a Discount. Click Add a Discount button. A blank format will open, which need to fill. User need to fill with discount head name. Enter code for discount if any. Enter product on which discount is eligible. Discount can be fixed with the value of, or on certain percentage, say 5 on percentage basis. Or based on buy one take one with number of units. Apply details. Discount function can applied either on product head or service rendered, depends on user nature of business. A discount can be applied on total amount billed, or on specified product, or service selected to buy. If customer had selected specified product, and on click this button, a list of product will display, and choose product which are eligible with discount. User have option of either selecting discount available forever or specific period. Select data from April 1st, 2014 to December 31st, 2014. Last user can give access this discount function, either to all billing staff, or to certain specified user. Then click Create to save.
First, let us see how to add new customer. To add a new customer, go to Plus New Customer button. A new screen will appear. For successful completion of this tab, you need to fill detail like customer email ID, preferable in Gmail, company or business entity name, nature of organization, private limited company, limited liability partnership, etc. Name of contact person of the organization, address of the organization, city and state where it is registered, postal code, phone number, name of industry, business type, total number of workforce from the given option tab. Turnover, a sample data of new customer created, and then click Add Account button. This process need to repeat towards invite every single customer, an accountant or tax consultant need to add. Now find new customer or an existing customer list successfully. Our next topic is on how to add vendors. Purchase is one of the main functions of manufacturing companies and for trading business. To add vendors, go to the Vendors tab and click Add a Vendor button. Fill in the required details of the vendor like vendor name, vendor type, email address, mobile number, postal address, city, state, postal code, TIN number, service tax number, PAN number, and opening balance appropriately. And then click on Save. A successful creation of vendor is displayed here. Let us see now how to add employees. To add an employee, go to Employees tab and click on Add a Employee button. Now enter the details of employee, including the basic information, official details, and additional details in appropriate fields. On successful creation of this setting, employee will be able to run payroll package by click of a button. When you have clicked Save, tab showing list of employees successfully created. Import of large data is also possible with this Employees tab.
How to create branch. Click Settings. Click Branches under Account Settings. Now select Add a branch. Type branch name and address. Then click Create button. How to create an user. Click Settings. Click Users under Account Settings. Select Add a user and click. Now user screen appears. Select required options. Type name of the user. Email ID. Select branch. Insert comments. And select Active from Stat. Now click Create to save.
Our next topic is on how to add taxes. Go to Taxes tab. A new tax head can be created successfully with this software by just clicking the button Add Taxes and fill in applicable tax details and then click on Save button. User will be able to rename tax head. Let us now see how to add ledger accounts or heads. To add ledger accounts or heads, go to Accounts tab, click on Add a Account button. This tab takes to a new screen to create or update accounts. The tab has the group heads such as Assets, Liabilities, Credit Card, Income, Expense, and Bank Account. Select the relevant group under which the new ledger needs to be created. Here, we are going to create a new liability head. Click on the Liability Credit Card tab. Now, click the Create Liability button. In the appearing window, we need to fill in liability group, category, and opening balance. Now click on Save button. The newly added ledger head is displayed here. Let us now see how to add rules. It is very easy to create rule. All you have to do is select Rules tab from Business Settings tab. Then click Add Rule button under Rules tab. In the Add Rules, mention recurring word, say salary, rent, phone, etc. that occurs on a regular basis. And then select transaction type and expense account filled. After filling all detail, clicking the Save button, the new rules added get displayed as shown here.